Good morning! Today we're going to explain how to assemble a paddle surfboard, specifically the one we have here at Trolley Rentals in Tenerife. We're at Las Teresitas Beach and we're going to show you how to set it up. Before we begin, it's good to check the label in the front to make sure we have all the material that is needed. If anything is missing, give us a call. So let's start getting things out. We remove the hitch and extend the paddle surfboard. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that the valve is not pressed down. So we can see here it's pressed downwards, which makes all the air come out. When we raise it, the valve closes and we can now insert the pump. We have a single action pump. So all we have to do is connect the hose with thread and tighten. And we're gonna have to put it to more or less 15 psi. So to connect, we simply take the nozzle, we put it here and we turn to the right and we can start inflating. If you have rented the portable inflator, we simply put it where it says inflate, we screw it strong, and we come over here, we turn, and all we have to do is to stir the inflator, which is very simple. We hold for 2 seconds, the screen is a bit dim, so it's hard to see with the sun, but after 2 seconds, we just press the power on button again, and it starts inflating. With the normal paddle, we have a cage hitch here. And we can raise this stick depending on our rowing height. If you have rented the extra kit, it will come with a seat, a footstop, and a double paddle. For the double paddle, we simply open here, remove it, and switch it. You have to make sure that the blades are aligned, same place and same face on the back too. And this would be ready. For the seat, we're going to come this way, and it has 4 click attachments. The 2 at the top go forward and the 2 at the back go behind. To place it, we put it this way first and we start anchoring all the clicks. 3 and 4. When we have the 4, we push the seat from behind and it will be ready. Finally, we have the footstop with 2 openings, 1 and 2. In this paddle we have 3 removable fins, 2 small ones and a large one. The small ones go on the side and they're inserted this way with the safety piece. To know which direction they go, use the safety hole facing back. This way. And we're ready. Finally, we would only have to enter the water, trying to ensure that the fins do not touch the bottom.